What's going on, guys? Today we will discuss, should you choose one niche with your AI automation agency? Yes, be an expert in one niche. You can still create a multi-million dollar company in a few years. You cannot do it in a few months, in a few years. You will be trusted authority with proven experience in that space, and all clients will choose you. You need experience to get high ticket valuable clients. Later expand to other niches. How to choose a niche? Test multiple niches as quickly as possible. You must build prototypes. Get $10 Skype credit and cold call. Do not cold email. The reason for this is that when calling, you need to hear clients' objections and reasons and problems they will not buy. You get immediate instant feedback. When you just send an email, you need to send like 200 emails to get like maybe one client. But if you are cold calling, you're gonna sell so much more. You're gonna improve 10 times more quickly. You're gonna need 10 times less time. And you are also need to learn to talk about your company. You need to be able to talk and tell what your product is and stuff. You need to be able to sell on phone. Because when your company grows, you get big clients, you're gonna go and talk to them for the first time ever, like calling. You need to know how to talk about it for later. So I would recommend, for example, testing 5 niches, choosing most successful one. Right now, the market is such that even like the main niches like real estate, Airbnb, car rental are not saturated at all. They're not even like beginning to be saturated yet. So you should probably choose the main niches or niches you are familiar with. For example, if you are a fitness coach or if you are into fitness for many years, you know how chatbots would, for example, solve the problems in your niche. You could choose that niche then. And you also have a network and you can help people. How to get niche ideas. I just released a video, $1 million AI automation agency ideas. It says BotPress on the thumbnail, but it's a general AI automation agency, not just BotPress. So all of these ideas can be grown into $1 million businesses over like 4 or 5 years. If you are beginner, you're gonna need more time. If you are not beginner, then if you are experienced in the niche or with business and stuff, then you're gonna need less time. So what you could do, there are 40 ideas in this video. The video title is called, just go to my, or it will be on your screen and in the description below. It's like $40 million AI automation agency ideas on my channel. I released it yesterday. So go ahead, pick your ideas, pick more popular ones, and also pick ones that have money like real estate and they are not saturated. And you are actually lucky that you are very early in the market. So even need 5 years to build $1 million business. If you are a beginner, you could, like, I'm not gonna promise anything, but even like a few years or even months if you work hard. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm actually going to release many videos on many different niches right now. I'm gonna release some videos, for example, how to build a AI automation agency in a car rental niche, and then I'm gonna explain like from beginning to the end how to build a prototype, how to find clients, how to call them. Like you go to Google Maps and you find car rentals, and then you call them. And I'm gonna release many videos, tens of videos, dozens of videos. So be on the lookout for those videos. Subscribe if you want to stay in the loop, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.